Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn about how to hide MRP and discount from the app. Sorry. Basically, what it means is that you can hide the MRP price from the app. Like, for example, sometimes the customers, the thing they do is the the MRP price of a particular product is, for example, rupees 50, and they are selling it, their selling price is 50. So there will be no discount shown into the app, which looks weird into the app. So to hide that, we have created a new setting, which is to hide the MRP price. So to hide the MRP price, go to the mobile settings, click on mobile settings. After clicking on mobile settings, click on price settings here. As you can see, there is a price setting here. Click on price settings. After clicking on price settings, you can hide the MRP from the app. You can hide the discount from the app. In case of hide discount, the discount percentage like 4%, 3%, whatever discount you are giving will hide from the app. And if you want to hide the MRP, you can hide the MRP from the app. So I will click on this checkbox and I will just update setting. If I do that, then in such case, what will happen that my MRP price will hide from the app. Only the sale price of that particular product will be shown into the app. If I check this box, how discount, and click update, what will happen is that the discount percentage which is shown on the product, that this particular product has 5% discount or 10% discount, will be hidden from the app itself. So that's how you hide MRP and discount from the app. If you have any other questions related to the Infinity Store backend panel, you can ask into the comment section. I will make more videos for your convenience. That's it in today's videos. Thank you.